Have you seen the headlines? Having a lower credit score and less of a down payment means you'll get a better interest rate on your mortgage. That's not true. It's in all the headlines, but it's not true. Come to the expert to see what's real. Anytime a loan officer prices out a mortgage, we have to do what's known as loan level pricing adjustments. These adjustments change the interest rate depending on a number of factors, including if the house is going to be a primary residence or an investment property or a second home, depending on how many units the property has, as well as your credit score, down payment, debt to income ratio, and a number of other items. So what's really going on? Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have made it just a little bit easier for first-time home buyers with lower credit scores, not terrible, just lower credit scores, to be able to buy a home with lower down payments. This does not mean that they are going to get a better interest rate than somebody with a high score and a high down payment. Let's show you what's going on. We have FICO score starting with high scores above 780 at the top and running down to the low 600s. And we have loan to value being only a 5% down payment over here and running all the way down into the 30% loan to value over here. What you see is that consistently, let's look at a 20% down payment. The higher your credit score, the less the adjustment. This means that somebody with a 780 score is going to pay far fewer points than somebody with a score of 640 to get the same interest rate, meaning a better score still pays off. And when we look at somebody with a score of say 720 and we look across the adjustments, what we see is it's still better to have more of a down payment than have less of a down payment. So please don't follow the advice you're seeing on Facebook or even on some news channels saying to tank your credit score to get a better rate. That will not happen. It'll only hurt you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, Tom Gallagher, at Fairhope Mortgage, and I'll walk you through the process. Thanks a lot.